Greetings and introductions part. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Ali. My name is Ali. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Afghanistan. I'm from Afghanistan. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 20 years old. I'm 20 years old. What do you do? What do you do? Daily life part. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I go to school. I study English. I study English. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I help my family. I help my family. I drink tea. I drink tea. I go to sleep. I go to sleep. School and study part. I like math. I like math. I read books. I read books. Please help me. Please help me. I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you explain it? Can you explain it? This is easy. This is easy. That is difficult. That is difficult. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I listen to my teacher. I listen to my teacher. I learn new words. I learn new words. Family part. This is my father. This is my father. This is my mother. This is my mother. I have two brothers. I have two brothers. I have one sister. I have one sister. I love my family. I love my family. My father is kind. My father is kind. My mother cooks food. My mother cooks food. My brother plays football. My brother plays football. My sister studies hard. My sister studies hard. We are happy. We are happy. Food and drink part. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I like rice. I like rice. I eat bread. I eat bread. I drink milk. I drink milk. I like apples. I like apples. The food is tasty. The food is tasty. I cook lunch. I cook lunch. Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. Let's eat together. Let's eat together.